Hello everyone. Recently I have evaluated several undergraduate projects and I have seen that some of the students cannot write word equations. Even the simple equations cannot be written by those students. And they prefer to directly copy and paste, prefer to just copy and paste the images of the equations. Now I'm going to show you how you can convert those image equations into word equations. So let me begin with the Maxwell's equations from Wikipedia. Okay, I'm going to just take the screenshot of the Ford equation and I'm going to ask Gemini to give me the LaTeX script. Now I'm waiting for it. Okay, it gave me the LaTeX script and I'm going to just insert an equation in Word. So you must be careful, the LaTeX part, LaTeX tab here must be selected. I'm going to just directly copy and paste the LaTeX script and I'm going to convert it to professional equation, and you are going to see that the image of the equation can be directly converted into word equation. You don't need to copy and paste the equation image. And now let's try it for another equation. I'm going to use here definition of the derivative. Here I'm going to get this one, which is based on the limit. And I'm going to just take the screenshot of it. And I'm going to ask Gemini for the LaTeX script. So let's see. We are waiting. It gave me the LaTeX equation. I'm going to open the same Word file. I'm going to say insert equation. You must be careful. Here it must be linear if you select the LaTeX tab. Now I'm going to write down, paste the LaTeX script and I'm going to just convert it to professional equation. So you can see here, I think there is a gap or space. You have to just cut and paste the main part of the equation into that space and we are all done. So this is it. You don't need to just copy and paste the images of the equation. Instead, you can convert it into word equations. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you and see you soon. Take care. Bye.